Tired of your online store looking like a cluttered closet? Let's get those clothes neatly organized by creating categories on your Wix store. First, navigate to your Wix dashboard and click on the Products tab on the left-hand side menu. This is where the magic happens. Now, look for Collections and give it a click. Think of Collections as your clothing categories like shirts, dresses, or jeans. Click on the New Collection button to create your first category. A window will pop up. Give your collection a clear and descriptive name. For example, summer dress is a good name, helps your customers and helps you. Add a brief description of the collection. This will appear on the collection page, so make it engaging. You can also upload a cover image for the collection to make it visually appealing. Next, add the relevant products to your collection. You can either select existing products from your inventory or create new ones directly from this window. Make sure your collection is set to visible, or no one will be able to see your hard work. And also consider setting up search engine optimization for it. And that's it. Repeat these steps to create as many clothing categories as you need. Your customers will thank you for making it easy to find exactly what they're looking for, leading to more sales.